Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pad see-ew noodles from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need wide rice noodles, Chinese broccoli, and your preferred protein such as chicken or tofu sliced thinly. Also, prepare the sauce components: dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of sugar. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's craft those delicious fresh rice noodles. Start by mixing rice flour, tapioca starch, water, and a small pinch of salt into a smooth batter. Next, pour thin layers of this batter onto a greased tray and steam each layer for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until set. Once cooled, carefully cut these steamed sheets into wide, flat noodle strips, ready for your stir-fry. With your noodles ready, it's time for the sauce and stir-frying. First, whisk together dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and a splash of water to create that signature flavor. Heat a wok with a tablespoon of oil over high heat, then add your protein, stir-frying until it's perfectly cooked. Next, toss in minced garlic and the Chinese broccoli, cooking until it's tender crisp. Finally, let's bring it all together for a fantastic meal. Add your freshly made wide rice noodles to the wok with the cooked protein and vegetables. Pour in the prepared pad see-ew sauce, then quickly toss everything together to ensure the noodles are evenly coated and heated through. Serve your incredible homemade pad see-ew immediately and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.